Hello, the subject is marketing management. The topic is sales promotion. Sales promotion being one of the primary tool available for promotional activity for the products of the company. Come let us see what is the meaning of sales promotion. Sales promotion refers to the temporary incentives offered by an organization to either their customers or their resellers. It can be wholesalers, retailers, or agent in between the customer and the company in the distribution channel with the intention of increasing the sales of their products. What the company does is to give away some benefits so that the consumers are attracted to buy the particular product. It is necessary to classify sales promotion into two broad categories. That is, sales promotion aimed at consumers and sales promotion aimed at distribution channels. It is known as trade promotion as well. Sales promotion is temporary in nature, but it helps in making short-term profit because of the sale of the products. Let us see the definition of sales promotion. According to Philip Kotler, sales promotions are short-term incentives to encourage purchase or sale of product or services. So these incentives are given by the companies to encourage the purchase or sale of products or services is the goal of sales promotion. American Marketing Association defines it as those activities that supplement both personal selling and advertising, coordinate them and help to make them more effective. Sales promotion always enhances the personal selling and advertising. It aids them and it supports them to a new level, and it sometimes coordinates with them and help them more effective, thus leading to more sales of goods or service. So this being the definition of sales promotion, let us see what are the features of sales promotion. We think that advertising, personal selling and publicity itself to be sales promotion. But in reality, sales promotion does not include advertising, personal selling and publicity. Apart from advertising, apart from personal selling and apart from publicity, whatever the company does to attract the customers to buy the particular product can be termed as sales promotion, and that has to be an incentive given to the consumer to make him attract. These incentives are not for long run purpose but for very short time or a short period. Sales promotion activities are generally performed at certain times. Thus, these are not regular activities like the display, fairs, and exhibitions, demonstrations, seasonal discount, free gifts, etc. Sales promotion activities are normally done to balance or increase the demand so that the goods are to be sold more in the market For that particular purpose, sales promotion activities are generally eyed on the concepts such as displays, fairs, exhibitions, and demonstrations, and during off seasons where there is no demand for the product or service. In such cases, discount known as seasonal discount is given for the product, and sometimes if the products are not bought by the consumers, in such case the products are given with some kind of free gifts so that the consumers feel attracted to buy the product. Sales promotions help in selling, and it makes advertisements and personal selling easy and effective. Though advertising is a tool of promotion and personal selling is a better tool of promotion, these two get more benefited because of sales promotion activities. If there is discount, if there is free gifts, and if there is any other kind of sales promotion tool included in the promotional activities of the products, then these promotional activities of advertisements and personal selling works better way far ahead with the help of sales promotion activities. Sales promotion encourages dealers and distributors to sell the product more. It forces them to benefit from the sales promotion tools that would benefit them in case of trade sales promotions, wherein the retailers, the wholesalers, the agents, and all those players who come in between the customer and the company in the channel of distribution. They get benefited because of the volume of sales that is being done by them, because of which the sellers or the resellers will get benefited because of the sales promotion tools eyed on them and given certain kind of discounts for them if they are able to sell some more units of that particular good or service. And finally, sales promotion encourages consumers also to buy the product. There are many factors which force and which makes the consumer to buy the product, and in that sales promotion is one of the thing which makes the buyer buy the product. So these are the features of sales promotion. Moving on, let us see the objectives of sales promotion. The objectives of sales promotion are as follows: bridge between advertising and personal selling, introduction of new products, attracting new customers, inducing present customers to buy, increasing sales during off-season, encouraging business buyers, improving the public image of the firm. Let us see one by one in detail what these objectives are. Bridge between advertising and personal selling. Sales promotion consists of those activities other than personal selling, advertising, and publicity. It serves as a bridge between personal selling and advertising. The second objective of sales promotion is introduction of new products. Whenever a company is in dilemma how to introduce a new product to the market. Sales promotion is the best tool of promotion that the company can employ. Sales promotional devices help introduce new products in the market in a better way. They induce buyers to purchase a new product. Free samples are distributed, or money or merchandise allowance is offered to the dealers to stock and sell the new product. It altogether benefits the resellers as well as the consumers. This objective of introduction of new products helps both the resellers and the consumers to buy and sell more units of newly launched products because of the sales promotional tools and techniques used by them. The next objective of sales promotion is attracting new customers. Sales promotion aims at wooing new customers. Sales promotion devices at consumer level include coupons, product samples, giving demonstrations about the product, organizing contests, refund offers, offering free trials, etc. These stimulate customers and consumers to make purchases promptly on the spot, thus helping them to attract new customers. No company can be happy with the existing customers alone. Hence, new customers are always welcome to the business, and this can be done only through sales promotion. The next objective of sales promotion is inducing present customers to buy. Sales promotion induces present customers to buy more of the product. Sales promotion methods work faster than advertisement. Moreover, sales promotion materials make the salesman effort more productive and more beneficial in the process of selling. It enables the consumer to know more about the product, its ingredients and uses, and he feels happy to get it at discount or get more for lesser price. The next objective of sales promotion is increasing sales during off-season. Demand is not going to be same pattern in the world of economy. The company has to face the fluctuating demands in the market. Some products are seasonal in nature. After the season is over, they are not demanded anymore. Sales promotion is used to retain customers' interest in the product during off-season. Short-term incentives offered to the buyers stimulate sales, and it does benefit the company. The next objective of sales promotion is encouraging business buyers. That is, wholesalers and retailers purchase goods for resale. Promotional activities are undertaken to attract retailers and wholesalers to stock the products more. Display and advertising allowances are granted to dealers to compensate them for the space given for the display of manufactured products. Premiums are offered for purchasing above a particular level. The last objective of sales promotion is improving the public image of the firm. Huge amounts are now being spent on determining appeals for arresting the attention of the prospects towards the product. Consumers' dissatisfaction about a particular brand can be removed by aggressive sales promotion programs. Sales promotional devices make products popular among customers. Ultimately, they enhance the public image of the firm in the market. Thus, these are the objectives of sales promotion. Let us see what are the types of sales promotion available for companies. We'll discuss one by one. The first is free samples. Free samples refers to when customers are provided a sample of a product for free. A common example is product samples given away free with magazines. An organization may use this form of promotion as it can be effective in removing any monetary distinctive and disincentive a customer may have about purchasing and trialing a new product. The next type of sales promotion is premium offers. Premium offers refers to when a business second product is offered to a customer for a purchasing product. This bonus may be given to the customer for free or at a substantial discount. An example of premium offer could be giving customers free video games with the purchase of a video game console. An organization may use this approach to promotion as it gives customers extra incentive for purchasing a product. The next type of sales promotion is loyalty programs. Loyalty programs offer customers some form of bonus or reward for spending money at a specific store. This is a gift for the loyalty that has been shown by the consumer towards the company. Examples of loyalty programs are rewards, cards used by many supermarkets, or frequent flyer point systems offered by airlines. An organization may use this form of promotion in order to create customer loyalty and drive customers to make repeat purchases. The next type of sales promotion is contests. Contests refer to competitions held by organizations associated with their products. There are many types of games and competitions held by the companies and sellers. An example of a contest could be a chocolate bar company offering the chance to win a free bar inside the wafers or wrapper of their products. An organization may use this form of promotion to offer additional incentive for consumers to purchase their product over similar competitive products. The next type of sales promotion tool is coupons. Coupons are vouchers that allow consumers to purchase products at a discounted price. A common example of coupons would be discount vouchers distributed to fast food chains. An organization may use this form of promotion to advertise a new product. The next type of sales promotion is discounts. The vast majority of the companies use this type of sales promotion as their promotional tool. Discounts refer to when products are temporarily offered at a lower price. Examples of a discount would be clothing items marked at 15% off or flat 50% off within a store. An organization may use this form of promotion in order to increase sales and attract new customers. The next type of sales promotion is rebates. Rebates refer to systems that allow customers to obtain a refund of some of the purchase price. An example of a rebate would be a company that offers a partial refund when customers mail in a proof of their purchase. This is referred to as a mail-in rebate. Rebates may also be offered immediately at the time of purchase. This is an instant rebate which works well in online purchases. The last type of sales promotion is point of purchase promotion. Point of purchase promotions refers to any promotion that take place within a store. Examples of point of purchase promotions would be in-store demonstration or trial of product. Often supermarkets will offer in-store trial of products in the case of free trials within a supermarket. An organization may use this form of promotion because the customer feels a sense of obligation to purchase the product after the free trial. Hence, these many types of sales promotion tools are available for the companies to employ and get benefited from the sales promotion activities and thus earn more profit. Hence, sales promotion. Thanks for listening.